Come on, guys. I'm not gonna go to the fifth gear, right? I have only 3 minutes. Anyways, the sounds that you guys just listened to, they're gonna disappear from our city streets. The main reason is the engine that you guys are looking behind me is gonna be replaced by the electric engine or the electric motor. So at this point, I can start by bombing you guys by some of the stats to show that why this combustion engine was good for humanity or even bad for humanity, but I'm gonna refrain from that, I think so. Anyways, this internal combustion engine is gonna be dead, and in order to give him an honorable death, I created the device that will allow it to run at its optimal performance for this last years that it's gonna be running. In order to create this device, I had to learn and master engineering disciplines that are varied and different in kinds. First off, as a mechanical engineer, I had to learn the engine dynamics and kinematics in order to place my sensors at the exact locations that I need. Later on, I had to put the shoes of an electrical engineer here. It's the shoes, not the trousers. As an electrical engineer, I had to hack into the car. And by hacking, I mean literally hacking, stuff that you're not supposed to do. If Ford or whatever Chevrolet found out about it, they will probably sue you. So I was able to communicate with the diagnostic board, and I was also able to tap into some of the sensors. Once the data is collected, I needed a microcontroller and a microprocessor. The microcontroller would be able to sample all the sensors that I needed, the stuff that I placed, also the stuff that I hacked, and the microprocessor will allow me to process the data. So in order to put them together, I had to master operating system, which is very difficult as a computer engineer, and I devised a multi-threaded programming that allowed real-time programming of the whole device. At the end, as a data scientist, I still have 1 minute, as a data scientist, I collected all the data. That raw data won't do anything to you guys. So I needed something which is called feature extraction. From that feature extraction, I was able to reduce the sample set. And with that, I used the machine learning, AI, big data, to train the network. At the end, once you put this device in your car, every car will have a separate network that learns from the car as it goes in, and it will be able to tell you as a user there is a fault, or also predict any future fault coming in. And it would give you also the measures or whatever you have to do in order to prevent those faults. So at the end, with this device, once it goes into the market, me and my lab, we're gonna make a lot of money! Make it rain! Anyway, with that, I'm gonna go straight to the bank with this. Thank you.